Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to create a Stripe account from start to finish, whether you are starting your own online store or need a reliable payment processor. Stripe is an excellent choice. Let's get started. Stripe is a powerful payment processor that allows businesses to accept payments online. It supports credit card, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and many other payment methods. Stripe is known for its ease of use, low transaction fees, and fast setup. It's perfect for anyone, from freelancer to large enterprises. Now, open your browser and go to stripe.com. On the home page, click the Start Now or enter your email. I will use a temporary email for this tutorial. Now paste your email address here, then click Start Now button. This will take you to the sign up page where you will start the process. You will be asked for your email, full name, then password. Type a secure password and use a strong password. Select your country. Then check the box and create account. Once you have done that, check your inbox, email inbox for confirmation email. Click verify your email. And after verifying your email, you will be asked to provide some basic business information. Start with your business name, business address. Click the Get Started button, then business name like online store. Then you can skip for now. You can set up later this section. Click for continue. Then how do you want to start one of recurring payment and build platform marketplace? Then choose any other from here like that. Go to dashboard. This helps Stripe understand your business type and determine the best setup for payments. Next, you will need to link your bank account so that Stripe can deposit funds from customer payments. Now, go to payment section. Or click the settings gear icon, then choose payments from here, then click payment methods. Now you can choose one from here like that. I will choose the cards. You can use Klarna Afterpay Affirm from here. Just click on turn on. Then bank transfer, just turn on, continue. Now, Stripe also needs to know about your business structure for tax purposes. Select your business type, such as individual or corporation, and enter your tax identification number or TIN or social security number or SSN if you are a sole proprietor. This helps Stripe ensure everything is properly set up for taxes and payouts. Now it's time to set up your payment preferences. You can choose how often Stripe deposits funds into your bank account daily and weekly or monthly. This setting depends on how quickly you want the funds to appear in your bank account after a sale. Finally, you will be asked to link your website or app that you will be using with Stripe. Enter your URL or application details. So you will also want to customize payment settings, decide what types of payments you want to accept, like credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc., and any advanced settings like fraud prevention or subscription management. Once everything looks good, you will land your Stripe dashboard. Here you can manage payments, view transactions, and access detailed reports. You can also integrate Stripe with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or any custom website to start accepting payments directly. Stripe allows you to run test payments before going live. Simply switch to test mode or in your dashboard, and you can simulate purchases without real transactions. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorial. Now you have successfully created your Stripe account and are ready to accept payments on your website and app, and verify all the details from here and follow the on-screen instruction. It's easy, like business type, tax details, which I said earlier, business details, add bank account, secure your account, and review and finish.